After spending 3 days in Leh, we are en route Nubra Valley via Khardungla. So we're at Khardungla.
Yeah, it's really very chilling.
If you actually make through the jam and the continuous honking and the crowds in the queues to get a picture next to the Khardungla top signage, it's a good spot, right? Otherwise it's just a jam on the highest motorable
Only
road
there
in
were
the
not so many people. It's
everywhere.
not that view.
Every signage, that one, this one, that one, and the stickers all over. Nubra is a major tourist attraction for its beautiful and surreal landscapes, sand dunes, double-humped Bactrian camels, Diskit Monastery, and much more. We are staying the night at our trusted homestay at Diskit. So now we're off to Diskit Monastery.
We are at Diskit Monastery and the view is awesome. मैं पहली बार मोनेस्ट्री आया हूँ और मैंने बहुत सुना था कि इट्स पीसफुल और आफ्टर रीचिंग हियर देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस व्हिच आई फील इट्स रियली काम पीसफुल एंड प्लीजेंट हियर. This is our 7th day of our trip and we are at Diskit Monastery and I'm going to talk about Leh Ladakh. So the experience, my personal experience is way different of what I thought and what I heard and what I saw on social media, Instagram photos, Photoshop pictures, but the way I saw it and I felt it personally by visiting this site is way different. It is so calm, so polite, and people here are very polite. There's kind of difference which we felt, and you have to take time for yourself, from your busy schedule and everything, to get a feeling of what nature is all about and what is life is all about.
Nubra, we are moving towards Pangong Lake, world's highest saltwater lake sharing space between India and China.